Konnichiwa. Modern Japanese is weird. So there are those colors in Japanese. For example, yellow is kiiro. Yeah, that's yellow in Japanese, but we also say yellow. Yeah, I think many people are saying yellow. And for orange, there is a Japanese word for orange. It's called dai, but nobody uses that. We just simply say orange. There's a world. There is a word murasaki for purple in Japanese, but some people say purple. Yeah, I think we are starting to abandon our Japanese language. By the way, the music you're hearing in the background is made by me. I composed them. Yes, I'm a music composer. So if you wanna listen to my music, you can check my YouTube channel or SoundCloud under the name hidazip, hidazip. There you can hear my things about my music, so please check. Yeah. So back to the Japanese stuff. It's not only colors, numbers. We count 5, 4, 3, 2, 1 like 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. But on New Year's, how do we count there? We count like 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Happy New Year. Yes, even the Happy New Year is Happy New Year in Japanese. I'm starting to think that Japanese will be all English in a few years. Yes. And what about the pants? The pants that you wear. We used to call them zubon. Well, that's not technically Japanese, but there's no other word for pants in Japanese. It's zubon. But recently, everybody's calling pants. Just pants. Weird. And the beverages. Beverages like beer and coffee. Beer is beer in Japanese and coffee is coffee in Japanese. There's no other word. There are kanjis, Chinese characters, that represent that word, but they are pronounced beer and coffee. For the Olympics, we don't have a fancy word like what should Olympic be like in Japanese? Like 世界運動会 or something. No, we don't have some fancy words. We just say Olympic. And here's an example of a sentence. Let me say, I checked the time on my smartwatch. In Japanese, it will be like スマートウォッチでタイムをチェックした。Smartwatch でタイムをチェックした。There's barely Japanese left. What even is Japanese? I don't understand anymore. So that was enough of hidazip today. Please subscribe to my channel and support me on... No, I don't have a Patreon, so please subscribe my channel for more content. I usually upload music I created or road bike videos like this, or some random comments and stuff. I don't upload so often, but yeah, please consider subscribing my channel. Thank you for watching. Goodbye.